This contractor needed something small and easy to get through hallways and doorways in a condominium complex. He found the Lavina 16E, the perfect piece of equipment. It is a forced planetary variable speed machine with three 7-inch heads. It runs single phase 115 volts. At only 216 pounds, it's a lightweight, compact grinder that has a foldable frame and can be separated into two pieces for easy transportation and storage. It may be small, but it is powerful. The contractor liked the machine so much, he bought two.